Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're seeing the error message transaction limit exceeded on your GCash app, don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So for that, first of all, you will need to know your limit. GCash has a monthly limit depending on your account verification level. Basic users have 50,000 monthly transaction limit. Fully verified user can go up to 100,000. And if you link your GCash to a GCash card or bank account, your limit can increase to 500,000. So if you're already verified but you're still getting the error, link a GCash MasterCard or your bank account to your GCash. Let's automatically upgrade your account to a higher level. If the issue is still persists, head back to your home screen, open up your app store and make sure GCash is updated. Search for GCash in the search bar, and if you see update button inside here, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Also remember, GCash limits reset on the first day of every month, not based on when you created your account. So if you have hit your cap, you might need to wait until the next month to make more transactions. If you think there is an error or you haven't reached your limit, go ahead and tap on Help Center in the GCash app to contact support and get manual review. And that's how you fix the transaction limit exceeded problem on GCash. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.